Hi kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to see about ordinal numbers. Today's topic is ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tells the position of a particular object. Ordinal number tells the position of a particular object, in which position that particular object is placed. Now listen here children. Here how many animals are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we want to count the animals, we should count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But now we should know the position in which place the animal is placed. So now we should know the position. So how we should count? In which place elephant is placed? Elephant is standing on first place. So we should say first. The elephant position is first. The position of elephant is first. Elephant is standing in the first position. Here next is lion. Lion is standing in the second position. Lion is standing on the second position. Next is monkey. Monkey is placed on the third position. Monkey is placed on the third position. Next is tiger. Tiger is placed on the fourth position. Tiger is placed on the fourth position. This is deer. Deer is placed on the fifth position. Deer is placed on the fifth position. Now I will ask you one question. So in which place lion is standing, children? In which position lion is standing? Yes, second position. Lion is standing on the second position. So how we should say? Lion is standing on the second position. Now in which place tiger is standing? Which position? Fourth position. Tiger is standing on the fourth position. Tiger is standing on the fourth position. Now in which place monkey is there? In which place monkey is there, children? Yes, you are correct. Third position. Monkey is in the third position. In which place elephant is there? First. Elephant is standing on the first position. Elephant is standing on the first position. Now deer is standing on the fifth position. So first position elephant, second lion, third monkey, fourth tiger, fifth deer. Now let's see the spelling of ordinal numbers. First, F-I-R-S-T, first. Whenever we mention a number in the position, we will be adding on the top the position of that number. We will be adding the extra letter ST here to tell the exact position of that number. Now listen here, on top of one ST is written. If we write ST only, it shows the position. F-I-R-S-T, first. F-I-R-S-T, first. Second. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Now listen here, on top of 2 we should write N-D. If you write N-D on top of 2, then only it shows the position. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. If N-D is not there, it's just a number 2. So we should write N-D, then only it shows the position. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Third, T-H-I-R-D, third. T-H-I-R-D, third. Here on top of 3, R-D is written, children. On top of 3, R-D is written to show the position. To show the position of that number. T-H-I-R-D, third. T-H-I-R-D, third. Repeat with me, children. THIRD, third. Fourth, FOURTH, fourth. FOURTH, fourth. Listen here, on top of 4, TH is written to show the position of number 4. TH is written to show the position of number 4. If TH is not there, it's just 4, that's all. But if we want to show the position of that number, we should write TH on top of that number. FOURTH, fourth. FOURTH, fourth. Fifth, FIFTH, fifth. FIFTH, fifth. On top of 5, TH is written to show the position of that number. FIFTH, fifth. FIFTH, fifth. FIFTH, fifth. FIRST, first. SECOND, second. SECOND, second. THIRD, third. THIRD, third. FOURTH, fourth. FOURTH, fourth. FIFTH, fifth. FIFTH, fifth. Now let's see how to write in the notebook. First write the day, 18/12. Then write the heading in the first line. Start with capital letter, children. ORDINAL, ordinal, one finger space. NUMBERS, ordinal numbers. Then leave one line and start in the next line. First, 1, write ST on top, dash, FIRST. Now listen here, children, how we are writing ST here, why we are writing ST. In the spelling, first the last 2 letter is ST. See here, last 2 letters, it is ST. So this ST we should write with 1. This ST we should write on top of 1. So it become 1 ST first. 1 ST first. Write the last 2 letters on top of 1. So that first. Dash, start with capital letter, FIRST, first. Write this last 2 letter along with 1. So 1 ST first. Next one. Second. Small dash, start with capital letter S, ECOND, second. Here what is the last 2 letters, children? ND. What is the last 2 letters? ND. So this last 2 letters ND we should write on top of 2. That is 2ND, second. This last 2 letter we should write along with 2. 2ND, second. Don't forget to write this last 2 letter, children. Here while writing first, this last 2 letter ST we are writing with 1. So 1 ST first. When writing second, last 2 letters you see ND. So 2 ND, second. Now third. THIRD, third. Now which is the last 2 letters here? What are the last 2 letters? RD. What are the last 2 letters? RD. So we should write RD on top of 3. So we should write RD on top of 3. 3 RD. Third. Fourth. Capital F O U R T H. Fourth. What is the last 2 letter here? TH. So take this TH and write on top of 4. 4 TH. Fourth. Fifth. Capital letter F I F T H. Fifth. What is the last 2 letter here? TH. So what we should do now? Write these 2 letters on top of 5. 5 TH dash FIF TH. Fifth. Don't forget to write this last 2 letters on top of the number, children. So let's repeat the spellings now. first. F-I-R-S-T, first. F-I-R-S-T, first. Second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Listen the last two letter. Take this last two letter and write on top of 2. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Third, T-H-I-R-D, third. T-H-I-R-D, third. Fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Fifth, F-I-F-T-H, fifth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Here what is the last two letters? T-H. So write this T-H on top of 5. Fifth, F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Say and write, children. Always while writing, say and write. Homework twice. HW 2 times. Parents, please guide the children to write their homework. Thank you.